Welcome back, guys. I'm Mark Wong, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best PC air dusters in 2025. Gone are the days of overpriced canned air and half-hearted puffs. Now we've got some seriously powerful options out there. So if you're in the market for something to blow the gunk out of your keyboard, fans, or those hard-to-reach spots inside your tower, you're in the right place. Let's check out the best PC air dusters in 2025 that actually get the job done. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The fifth PC air duster on our list is the Minthouz electric air duster vacuum cleaner, priced at $25.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. Right out of the box, this device is compact, lightweight, and actually looks kind of slick. It's about the size of a large flashlight. You've got a 20-ounce body, cordless design, USB-C charging, very portable, very modern, and the build quality, not bad at all. Feels sturdy without being bulky. You also get 3 nozzles in the box, a standard one for smooth surfaces, a brush nozzle for stuff like keyboards or vents, and a crevice nozzle for those awkward tight spaces in your car or around your desk setup. Under the hood, this electric duster has a pure copper motor that spins at an impressive 50,000 revolutions per minute. You can feel the power when it kicks in. It boasts a suction force of 6 kilopascals, and the airflow when it's in duster mode is solid. Powering all this is a 4,400 millimeter ampere hour lithium-ion battery. They say it gives you between 13 and 30 minutes of runtime depending on which mode you're using, and that feels accurate. I got about 20 solid minutes cleaning my entire desk setup and car dashboard before needing a recharged. Here's what surprised me. This device has LED lights, a white LED for seeing what you're cleaning, and a red strobe light for emergencies. Please note that this vacuum is strictly for dry use only, so if you spill coffee or anything sticky, don't even try it. You'll wreck the motor or mess up the filter. Our team recommends this for those looking for a functional, budget-friendly option with multiple uses. The fourth PC air duster on our list is the 55,000 RPM electric compressed air duster, priced at $49.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. So let's start with power. This little jet engine has 3 speed settings, topping out at 55,000 revolutions per minute. That's faster than most gaming laptop fans. At full tilt, just press the button once, twice, or 3 times to toggle through the gears depending on how deep your dust situation is. At the top gear, you're looking at around 7.2 kilopascals of blowing force. Translation, it's strong enough to evict every crumb from your keyboard, blast pet hair off your PC tower, and even clean out tight gaps in your windowsill or couch cushions. It's rocking a 7,600 milliampere hour battery, which is beefy. You get about 20 to 30 minutes of use depending on the speed you're on. Not bad for something this powerful. It's super compact and easy to carry around. I dig that it doesn't feel cheap and the grip is comfortable for extended use. Also, it's cordless, which makes it great. Now this comes with a whole bunch of nozzles, thin ones, brush ones, inflating tips. It's not just for electronics either. You can also use it to pump up pool floats or anything inflatable. However, I noticed it's a little loud on high speed, kind of sounds like a baby leaf blower. Our team recommends this for those who want varying speeds for different cleaning tasks, all at a more affordable price. The third PC air duster on our list is the 600-watt air blower, priced at $49.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This duster comes with 600 watts of power and a wind speed of 28 meters per second. That's turbo mode for getting rid of dust. This thing feels more like a mini leaf blower than a gentle cleaner. It'll blow away dirt, hair, cookie crumbs, and more. What I love about this is its no fuss design. One button, you press it, it blows, that's it. No toggles, no settings, just raw airflow on command. Also, it's got a copper carbon brush motor, so it's built to last and not just another disposable gadget. It's a bit bulkier and larger than some of the others on the list, weighing just under 1.6 pounds, but don't worry, it still feels light and easy to handle. It comes with 3 nozzle types, a medium one for general stuff, a blade style nozzle for focus blasts, and a round nozzle for wider areas. Now, it's not cordless, it plugs in with a 9.8 foot cord, so you're a little tethered, but in return, you don't deal with battery life, it's unlimited runtime, no overheating, no recharging, just plug in and keep cleaning. Perfect for longer sessions, if you're hitting the PC, the car interior, under the fridge, wherever. Keep in mind that this air duster has no speed control, it's just one speed, full send. Our team recommends this for those who don't need cordless air dusters and just want raw, reliable power. The second PC air duster on our list is the Kindle Car electric air duster and vacuum cleaner, priced at $69.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. First off, this thing is running a 90,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor. That's wild. Most of the other air dusters I've reviewed hover around 50 to 55,000 revolutions per minute, so if you want raw power, this one's already flexing. It's a 2-in-1, which means you can switch from air duster to vacuum with 0 effort. That's super handy when you've got dust to blow and debris to suck up, like cleaning your PC internals, then catching the mess on your desk. Smooth. Qindlkar really went all out with the accessories. You get over 10 different nozzles and brushes. There's a vacuum nozzle, brush nozzle, regular nozzle, and even air pump attachments for inflating stuff. Battery-wise, it features a 7,800 milliampere hour rechargeable battery with up to 30 minutes of use, and it charges up in about 3 hours via USB-C. Plus, you've got a nice LED power display right on the handle, so no guessing if it's going to die halfway through a clean. There are 3 speed modes, which I love. If you're working on sensitive electronics, go low, but if you're going to war with dust bunnies, crank it up. Also, it stays under 76 decibels, so it won't make your ears ring. And because of all the attachments, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first figuring out which one's right for the job. Our team recommends this for those who want something versatile and practical. The best PC air duster on our list is the WOLFBOX MF100 cordless air duster, priced at $89.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This device delivers an insane 150,000 revolutions per minute motor with 3 adjustable speed settings and pushes up to 70 cubic feet per minute of airflow. It'll blast dust off your keyboard, clean your PC tower, and inflate an air mattress in 7 seconds flat. Yes, 7 seconds. Power-wise, it's packing a 6,000 milliampere hour battery, and you can get up to 100 minutes of runtime at the lowest speed. Full charge takes about 2.5 hours via USB-C, and it even comes with 4 different charging options. You can plug it to your laptop, power bank, car, or any other compatible device. It includes 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, so you're covered whether you're cleaning your gaming setup, inflating pool toys, drying your car, or even managing a mini campfire. Basically, this thing's a cleaning tool, inflator, and outdoor helper all in one. This device only weighs 0.66 pounds and even comes with a little lanyard. Super compact, super easy to throw in your backpack, perfect for travel, camping, or just keeping your gear dust-free wherever you go. Bottom line, it's powerful, practical, and way more versatile than I expected. However, this option is relatively more expensive compared to others. Our team recommends this for those who want maximum power and multi-functionality in one device, particularly tech enthusiasts who own a number of gadgets. And there you have it, folks, the best PC air dusters in 2025. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Mark signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.